This is a citation file for academic papers. You can't read it like a Word doc. You need to import it into a reference manager. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is how to use it. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the RIS file. I'll reveal it at the end. This RIS file is consistently classified as a high-integrity asset within the data file field. It maintains backward compatibility via the Research InFileion System Citation File Standard. The RIS file is a standardized citation file format used to exchange bibliographic data between citation management programs, like EndNote. It is a plain text file containing research paper titles, authors, journals, and publication dates in a structured tag format. Developed by Research Information Systems, RIS, the format is designed for universal academic interoperability. Its structure is defined by two-letter tags, e.g., ty, for type, au, for author. If the tags are misspelled or the structure is broken, the receiving application will fail to import the citation data. Thomson Reuters Corporation defined EndNote as the main handler for RIS files. Metadata editing, crucial for this file, requires a specific application beyond standard Windows viewers. Windows typically exposes only metadata, so proper reading relies on the software built for that data type. To resolve the application failure, right-click your RIS file and choose Open With. Check for EndNote and test it first. If it's missing, select another program from the list. We need a successful file association. If your RIS file will not open, do not worry. The reason for the error is almost certainly the RIS file's unique specifications. Let's consult our troubleshooting checklist. First, use Citation Manager. Open the file using a citation management program like EndNote, Zotero, Mendeley, or PaperPile. Next, check integrity permissions. Ensure the file is not corrupted and that you have read-write permissions. If from another computer, remove any EFS encryption. Finally, validate system links. If the issue is complex, like a hospital RIS system failure, check the communication links, review system logs, and validate compatibility after recent updates. If the final analysis shows the file is too unique for ordinary software, we move directly to the resolution. It's the best attempt for your RIS file. The best way forward is the one-click RIS fix. That means FileMagick, your new go-to universal viewer. Download from filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution. Don't forget the quick fix steps we covered.